But what are we doing here? So we're running Python here, we're editing Python over here. So let's go ahead and edit this script. Let's see. We're doing level 4. No, we're doing level 3. Okay, so in this mission, you will receive a string in base 64. You must decode it and return the result. So we're going to receive a base 64 encoded string, and then we need to send the decoded version of the string. So we need to base 64 decode in this level. So maybe let's go ahead and import the base 64 module. Import base 64. And what are we doing? Everything in the beginning stays kind of the same, except that we're doing level 03 instead of level 02. We can receive the challenge just fine, but then we need to convert the bytes. Okay, we need to convert the bytes of the challenge into a string. Actually, wait. Does base 64 encode take in bytes or string content? So if it takes in byte content, then we don't need to do the conversion here from bytes to string. Let me look this up. So Python base 64 decode. So decoding base 64 strings in Python can be achieved using base 64 module, b64 decode function. Decode base 64 encoded data. It takes a base 64 encoded bytes like, oh, okay. So it takes in bytes. So we don't need to decode decode it to a string first. Okay, so receive the challenge, convert the bytes of the challenge, or I guess convert the base 64 bytes of the challenge into, is it a string or a byte? Or let's see, into plain text. Is it plain text bytes or plain text string? But it's plain text anyways. Okay, so convert into base 64. So it's going to be data2. We're going to call this data2 decoded equals data2, or is it base 64 dot decode? Is it like this? So I guess we need to print this, converting base 64 to plain text. And this is going to be base 64 decoded. And you know what? We're just going to comment this all out. Okay. Let's go ahead and do our testing now. So we'll do our testing over here. Oops. Oh. I ran the base 64 decode module incorrectly. Okay, so what is it? What is the, okay, we got base 64 dot decode. Oh, base 64 dot b64 decode. Okay. Base 64. Okay, so we need to, I was not writing this correctly. It's b64 decode, like this. Yeah? Okay, let's save this out. And let's try running it again. It worked, great. Wait. Is this supposed to be what the plain text is? Anyways. Okay, so we converted the string to plain text, and then the next thing we need to do is we need to send this over to the server, right? That's what we want to do. So you receive a string in base64 and you need to decode it and return the result. So all we need to do is we need to send this back. We just need to send back the bytes to the server to solve the challenge. So let's do that. Okay, we can just get rid of all this stuff here. So we're just going to send the challenge back. We're going to send data to decoded. And then we're going to receive the flag, hopefully. Okay, let's see if this works. But let's run the script and see if we can solve the level. Done! Great! It worked. Okay. So let's... So this is what we wrote to solve the level. I'm gonna write this. All this stuff we're gonna write to our GitHub page. So we have a GitHub page over here. We're going to record this stuff because in cybersecurity, if you didn't document it, you didn't do it. So it's Levelx03.py.
Hey there, HackerFrogs! Are you enjoying this workshop? Learning new concepts and skills? If so, there's a way you can support the channel, and it's totally free. Just click on the subscribe button below the video. Also, click on the like button. And if you have questions or comments on this workshop, please leave them below the video. Thanks for listening. And now, back to our scheduled programming.